In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Pro 2019, and I will show you how to add a number to Blacklist. So start off by opening up the dialer app, and as you can see, I already added a random number, well, one that I'm pretty sure doesn't exist actually. And from here you can do it in two different ways. You can either tap on the three little dots up there and go into Blacked. From there, tap on Blacklist and tap Add, and then choose whether you want to add it manually. You should be putting in the number. Add it from contacts, from call log, from messages. So basically you can choose whichever one. Whichever one you choose, you will need to select it there. Or if it's, let's say, added as it is right now, you can hold it, and then you'll see Add to Blacklist. So tap on it, and now it's blocked, and you should be able to see it as well here. So you can tap on it and see that this number has been blocked, and how many times it tried to call you and message you. And you can also unblock it by either removing it. So to remove it, you would actually hold it here, and then remove from Blacklist, and now it should be gone from there. As you can see, 0. So that is how you block a number. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.